Alright guys, today is the day we're going to weld in the C-notches. Now I built this one, I just tack welded it in. God, this thing weighs 50 pounds. Just that one piece. So I got a piece of 1/4 inch here clapped to the side. I've got it all measured out. I've got the other C-notch in here. I'm just going to tack it in on this side. Then I'm going to remove all this, tack it in on this side. Then I'll put the other one in. And then I'm going to do some cross member supports. And then we'll probably weld in this back piece. And yeah, so anyway, we'll go ahead and start it. So I just basically put some tack welds in here. In case you're wondering, I'm at 120 amps on my arc welder. I'm using 7018 rod. Now the bad thing about the 7018 rod is it's really hard to get to restart it. You can get a good tack if the electrode stays hot, but the problem that you have is once it gets cold is recreating it. So I also got some 6018 rod, which I'll probably finish up the welding with that. Now that I've got some of the structural welds in place. Now that's just spot welded, and it's rock solid. I got 4 spot welds on all, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and man, it's pretty dang awesome. So I still have to cut these, and I'll do that probably tomorrow. I think that's going to probably do it for tonight's video. I spent probably about 4 hours on this tonight, building this piece here for the triangulated 4-link, and getting these tack welded together and getting them welded into the frame. So tomorrow will be a big day. I've got to get to bed. I've got a big day tomorrow for my business, and then when I come home later at night, I'll film some more videos for you guys. So please rate, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you guys are working on. Talk to you soon. See ya.